Nityanandam, let's start with the manifestation session. Let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan in third eye, and start with the Sadguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasadusham Tattvamasyadilakshyan Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, welcome to Sri Kailasha Courtyard Manifesting Past session. Welcome everybody. Such a great news, such a great blessing to become the beings of Paramashiva. The Sri Kailasha itself happening all around the world. How Bhagavan said 10,000 people all around the world radiate the state, space, powers, superconsciousness, and Sri Kailasha of Paramashiva, the whole world will be shifted to the new cognition, new way of enlightened civilization opening up for the humanity. The highest possibility that Bhagavan has given just to radiate Bhagavan. And he said at the end of the program, what can you expect? You will be gone, and Paramashiva is going to manifest through you as reality. Such a beautiful thing that the whole humanity is now yearning for, to become the space, state, powers, superconsciousness of Paramashiva. Again and again, living in the presence of Master. Simply, he said, in your home, I'm going to be living 16 days completely with you and manifesting all that you want and completely being in oneness with Paramashiva for 16 days. What will happen? That person will be lost. That person will not be there. The outer identity is gone, and simply Paramashiva is the only one which exists. Again and again, Bhagavan raises us to the higher reality, higher consciousness. What would happen if we don't have this, we don't have that? It is like asking what would happen in the dream. I did not do this shopping, that shopping. I did not finish this work, that work. I forgot to talk to this person, that person. It is the dream waking us up to the reality, the existential reality. Nothing is lost. Everything is there in a higher consciousness, higher definition, dimension, and we can experience that all one and the same in deep oneness and deep core of us, Bhagavan himself manifesting as everything. When we start understanding the reality, we start manifesting instead of having the reactionary assumptions. Again and again, he is making now the Tyaga as reality, filling our hearts with Paramashiva that we forget who else was there inside us. With that beautiful space, let's go to the Shastra Pramana today.
The Shastra Pramana for the power of remote vision is taken from the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 85, Dharana 62. Linam murdhni viyat sarvam bhairavattvena bhavayet tat sarvam bhairavakara tejastattvam samavishet. लीनं मूर्ध्नि वियत् सर्वं भैरवत्वेन भावयेत् तत्सर्वं भैरवाकार तेजस्तत्त्वं समाविशेत्.
Such a beautiful sutra, Sutra 85, Dharana 62 from Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Beautifully translates, one should contemplate the whole etheric space, which is the nature of Bhairava, the source consciousness, as if it's pervading and absorbed in the crown of the head. Then one experiences everything as the form of infinite Bhairava enters into the self-luminous light of his infinite, all-pervading nature and powers. Swamiji beautifully says in one satsang, the gratitude is the only thing that we perceive which is beyond the mind. the ultimate space of gratitude simply starts flowing in us once we understand the higher reality, the higher purpose, higher consciousness, how we are selected in the best college or the best job, the highest paid, and how we'll be so gratitude towards whatever we want to is helping us to achieve that. Same way here, Bhagwan is making us experience the highest reality. All we need to have is a little gratitude, and simply He flowers in us as an ultimate space. Bhagavan has already seen the future as the enlightened civilization, giving us all the ultimate space of oneness to experience that. The whole etheric space, the very nature is the Bhairava, the source of consciousness, waking us up from the dream of illusionary confusion, conflict, guilt, compare, all kinds of emotion, all kinds of thought currents, all kinds of physical problems, whichever layer of pain we are going through is simply He is taking us to understand the greater reality, the one experience everything as an infinite Bhairava. When we start understanding that the whole existence, the whole space around us is infinite power and infinite intelligence. The more and more we are possessed by Paramashiva, the more and more we understand the infinite possibility in us, the manifestation that we can do as infinite possibility. Right now, without consciously, we are manifesting, and even now we are experiencing that. But with consciously, that Paramashiva is manifesting through us. The more and more we give the space for Paramashiva in our heart and less of ourselves inside, the more and more we will realize it is infinite possibility. It is not limited. The I is the limited version, which always want to be attest, always want to be verified, always given a grant, like something has to be, that I has to be again and again certified. But when you let go that certify I and fall into the space of Paramashiva, simply we start experiencing the infinite Bhairava in us that is constantly manifesting as reality, and such a beautiful space of oneness. We follow into the ultimate nectar inside our heart. With that, let's go to the instruction today. So now we're going to do the remote view of translating unknown languages. Such a beautiful revelation that Swami had once given. The me in me, the pure consciousness, is the canvas on which the deep sleep, dream, waking states are painted. The painting colors may be different, but the quality on the canvas, quality of canvas, this is true through which I manifest Paramashiva in me through all these three states. Paramashiva penetrates all the three states of consciousness and simply makes us understand the Turiya state completely without thought, and being in the oneness space, completely in the space of creativity, manifesting your reality. Again and again, he asks us to look at the canvas. Once he beautifully said, when we realize that we are the canvas, not the painting, all the painting that is there does not affect the canvas. The canvas simply exists beyond the painting, what is painted on that. If there is a fire painted, it does not get affected. If it's the disease painted, it does not get affected. If it is water painted, it does not get dissolved. It's just there. Same way how our dream continuously happens. So many traumas, so many pleasures, so many things that we go through, but it cannot affect the space of Paramashiva in us. The infinite Bhairava, which is in us, which is manifested into whatever we are perceiving. Understanding that everything is part of us already and simply need to manifest through us. So you can take up any language and start penning down the translation. Once the meditation is over, we can start seeing the translation and verifying it. So let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan in third eye. Bhagavan used to conduct kalpathrus in different languages. It used to be so beautiful in Russian, in Chinese, in Slovakian, in all kinds of languages. And sometimes the translation will not be there, and still he would just be able to translate into any languages. Such a beautiful space of oneness. Bhagavan once blessed Balasans that he would just talk in Tamil. We don't have a person for the next day. We were discussing how we would conduct this program. And simply he called one of them and said, tomorrow you conduct and you will be able to talk. And he's a different language kid, Telugu. And he simply conducted in front of everybody in the television. And he simply was able to speak in Tamil fluently. And we have seen in Paramashivam program also, one French kid, she was not able to speak in English. She was crying and she went to Darshan and asked Swamiji, can you download this English language for me? And after that, she started speaking. And when she started speaking, the greatest wonder was she did not have even the grammatical errors. When we start speaking, how we struggle with the language initially. She had a continuous flow of language, which was shocking for all of us. Many times we have seen many kids picking up different languages just like that, especially Sanskrit. Simply by listening few times, they're able to repeat it without any error as Ega Sandagragi. So all this possibility already exists in us. Sarvanyatva, Bhagavan says, when you are in the space of Paramashiva, you are in the space of Sarvanyatva. Simply you can manifest any reality, downloading any knowledge from anywhere. So here, let's contemplate on the great truth Bhagavan is given. Contemplate continuously and chant the Mahavakya, the mantra diksha that Bhagavan has given, holding that beautiful darshan in your heart. The heart simply opens up and connects to the higher reality when we chant the Mahavakya and feel the oneness with Bhagavan. Again and again, fill your heart with Bhagavan's darshan and chant the Mahavakya completely and literally your whole body vibrating, and with your mind fill it with all the great truth and contemplate continuously. So when you are locked in all three of them, simply it opens up the higher reality and you can manifest whatever is in front of you you want. So let's sit straight with your head, neck and back in a straight line. Let's start contemplating on the great truth and visualize Bhagavan in your third eye. Hold the darshan in your heart continuously and chant the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham.
Such a beautiful oneness capsule in such a beautiful space. Please go ahead and verify what you have written, what words appear in the third eye, and verify, Google and check up the words. Be as authentic as possible. Whenever manifestation, we are authentic, more and more manifestation will happen, even though if it is very small. When the kids start doing the third eye and other powers, they start doing everything wrong only. And then slowly they're confident that they are doing it. I can see it, I can hear it, I can do it. Those are the space of a child in anything, the curiosity of a child. Simply they manifest the powers. Same way, whatever Bhagwan has shown, simply it will be beautifully correct. But more and more you aligning to the highest reality and authenticity will make you more confident that you can manifest Bhagwan anytime. Holding Bhagwan in your heart, everything is a manifestation of Bhagwan. Please share all that in Sri Kailasha Kotiyar Manifesting Power group, and the tiny URL link is tinyurl.com/power manifestation. You can type this and record in your own languages or in your own words. The highest beautiful space that Bhagwan has given us for us to go on share the ultimate space of oneness. The more and more we share, more and more we enrich and cause, the inner space becomes beautiful, because what we cherish is what we start seeing in others. Everyone, everything is a reflection of us. Continuously holding that beautiful space of oneness with Paramashiva by enriching is pulling us out of delusion. And causing other people in the world is simply possible when you start living that oneness space as yourself. So beautifully, Bhagwan has given the ultimate program for us, Paramashivoham Level 2, the really weighted program for all of us getting one darshan from Bhagwan is most weighted space for all of us. So go ahead and register yourself in Nityananda Hindu University.org/daily-satsang and enrich and share with as many people as in the world that this possibility has opened up right from your home. You don't have any travel charges. You don't have to do anything except just have an appointment with Bhagwan for 16 days to lose yourself, wake up into a new reality. When you walk out of that room, you will be a new being above and beyond the space of human and raise yourself into the higher reality. And simply it is possible by just going and registering yourself and taking it to the next level of whatever you need to do for 16 days for you to be free, just with your Bhagwan. Again and again, Bhagwan gives the ultimate possibility for us to open up into the higher reality. What more we have asked, if we can be beyond the death, beyond the sufferings of humanity, and raise ourselves in the highest consciousness. Again and again, he is opening up the next dimension. He said, this is not a trailer, but this is the movie itself. The trailer, whatever he did was a trailer. How could this movie be? And what could the movie be? And how beautiful the experience would be. The ultimate experience that he is going to share with all of us, for us to pull us out of the delusion. It's next to impossible. And simply we'll be trying for Janmas and Yugas. There's a beautiful story of Narada coming and seeing two sages. One was sitting in the anthill and suffering and want to get enlightened. And the other was dancing under the tree and to get enlightened. And when Narada came to the sages, and the sages asked when I will get enlightened, they asked to ask God and come back. Narada came back and told to the anthill sage that he has 2-3 more births, and he was so frustrated that the struggle is too much that he cannot bear. The other sage was dancing under the tree. Narada said, as long as there's as many as there are leaves in this plant, in this tree, you have births before you get enlightened. He was so happy and more rejoiced that there is an end to it, and there is Bhagwan that he can see and experience as enlightenment. When he was in more intense joy that he can meet Bhagwan, simply he got liberated immediately. The most beautiful space of understanding the higher reality is possible for us. Again and again, being in the space of oneness, waiting for Bhagwan in deep seeking and gratitude, and letting Bhagwan take us to the higher reality simply will make it possible immediately. So when he gave the space for Bhagwan to immediately pull him out, all that leaves simply withered away and simply he was liberated. But because the other sage said, I have to suffer so many, and still the I was holding on, he was not able to go beyond and let go his I and be in the space of oneness. This 16 days is the ultimate that we have waited for yugas, janmas, and simply the intelligence in us have to open up to the higher reality. We came down to celebrate Paramashiva. We came down to be living as Paramashiva, celebrating Paramashiva, enjoying Paramashiva, and manifesting Paramashiva. To be in that space, Bhagavan has opened up this Paramashivoham level 2. Don't miss that at any cost. If you're a deep seeker and you are waiting for liberation, this is the ultimate gift that Bhagavan has given. Do not get confused. Is it possible? How is it possible? How do I do home activity or my kids or anything? Because Bhagavan is going to manifest everything. He'll take care of those also small things. When he can manifest you into becoming Paramashiva, can't he manifest your household work or your office work or anything else? Just be in the oneness space and understand this is a higher reality that has come down, descended on humanity now. and share with the greatest happening in the humanity with everybody with such a joy. By the time the program starts, you'll be liberated. Go ahead and cause as many people as possible, because causing is where your space defines you. It is not other person coming to the program, but it is your space. It is a liberation for you, anugraha, that you are pulling yourself out to the reality. That is why Bhagavan keeps saying, cause as many people as possible, because that is our reflection, who we are. Look at it from the higher cognition, higher definition, conscious maturity, that causing other people is nothing but you yourself is reflected in all others. And you yourself are causing yourself into the higher reality. All the great things that Bhagavan has given is for our liberation. Money has no value, time has no value in the next dimension. It is beyond all the delusion that we have in this world, the self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred, time issue, money issue. Anything is only limitation is in this world. More and more we prepare ourselves for the program and prepare ourselves to the higher reality. So with that beautiful space, let's go ahead and share with as many people as possible and cause their lump the human to the next dimension of consciousness as Paramashiva himself. With that greatest happening, let's surrender all that great truth and powerful cognition and power manifestation to Swamiji's lotus feet, to Bhagavan's lotus feet. Again and again, when we surrender to Bhagavan's lotus feet, we raise ourselves more into the space of Paramashiva, oneness with Paramashiva. And with a deep gratitude and a deep seeking, ask Bhagavan, irrespective of what's happening in your life, ask Bhagavan to Paramashivoham level 2 to become reality in your life. To sit just with Paramashiva for 16 days, realizing the Paramashiva in you, the space of oneness in you, which is making this body and the mind even function. So with that deep gratitude, let's hold Swamiji in third eye and end the session with a Purna mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to register in the Nityananda University. Right now, don't think about anything. Just jump in, dive in. That's how we have breakthroughs in life. Thank you. See you in the next Satsang. Nityanandam.